Welcome to Mike's Man Cave, and today we're going to be doing a brisket in the Aldi Smoker. Now what we've got here is a Wingham export quality 100% grass fed and grass finished beef brisket. There's about 4.5 to 5 kilos there. Now I've trimmed it up and squared it up a little bit, and that's all the stuff that I've trimmed off it. And I'm going to make some beef jerky out of that. I can put a link down the description box of my beef jerky how-to video if you're interested in how to make some homemade beef jerky. Now what we've got on this is just pink Himalayan salt, 100% pure, no additives. Okay, when you buy the pink Himalayan salt, make sure you buy the 100% pure natural one without additives or anti-caking agents or any other poisons they like to add to your salt. So this is just 100% pure natural pink Himalayan salt. I buy this stuff in bulk at about 3 or 4 kilos at a time. Now I have not put a lot of pepper steak seasoning on the brisket because I don't want it to be overpowered by the seasoning, but I do want to add a little bit of flavour. So, and that's been rubbed in all around the beef brisket. And let's go and check on our smoker and see if the meat's ready to go in. Here we are outside. I've just finished cleaning the smoker, ready for the brisket to go in. I'm just lighting a chimney of lump charcoal to get us started. And there's our timber that we're going to be using over the next 6 to 8 hours. And it's an absolutely beautiful morning today, so it should be a perfect day for smoking some beautiful brisket. Okay, it looks like the smoker is ready to go, so let's add the meat to the smoker and then we'll put some extra timber in the firebox and let it do its thing. There you go, let's smoke some brisket. It's a little bit windy. The smoker seems to be holding temperature all right. I would like it to be a little bit higher. Let's have a quick look inside and see what it looks like. Now it's been about 6.5 hours. The smoker is still going. We've got some aluminium foil. We're going to wrap up the brisket to finish it off. Now overall I've found that using the offset smoker and stoking the fire seems to be a lot more work than just using the Weber smoker, which is pretty much set and forget all day and you don't have to touch it. With this thing you seem to have to mess with it every 35 minutes to an hour just to maintain the temperature and keep it going. So if you want to find an easy smoker to use, I recommend you use the Weber one. But these ones still work quite well, I guess. Shouldn't be too much longer for dinner now.